Whammo blammo.
See, manual labor.
And that is the bushing.
Mr. Manual.
Yep.
See, the drill deep now, see?
Yeah.
So that was a half-inch metal I didn't have to cut. It'll warm me up now.
That's just the tip. You're not gonna deburr the inside?
Oh, leave the inside. I just like having straight edges when I beat on or cut or do something that's square. See over here, I don't know what you did over there.
I had to grind it down because it was mushroomed out. It wouldn't go in the collet.
Oh. You mean like somebody was beating the tar with it with a hammer?
Yeah.
Oh, that guy. You did not a very good straight job there. It's not very straight.
Well, I took it to the real wheel buffer, and it just got kind of buffed out. And then I was like, "This is taking too long," so I took it to the belt sander. Belt sander got the job done.
Not very square though.
No, not at all.
See, I was just putting it in the lathe and trimmed it like that.
I couldn't get it in. You can open jaws. I couldn't get it into the collet that went into the lathe.
Oh, you had a special jaw that didn't work with the squat. That's what you're saying.
It did work. Not for... It works with round material, not mushroomed material.
Pretty square. Rough. Just rub my thumb against that.
Yeah, I did it.
Didn't do any damage though.
I did it earlier. I know exactly how it feels.
I barely even felt it because I didn't run it into it.
Yeah, it just grazed
I
it.
just went right up next to it and let it fall on it a couple of times.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, we don't need this no more.
Hmm.
What?
Where you want this piece at? Back where it came from?
Metal?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
I was gonna say, where you want it? Back where it came from?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, that's good. Clean metal. That's why you want it right there.
Oh, we gotta put a reamer away too. That doesn't go there.
No, it does
It's
not.
in that hole there.
Oh, there's a hole there? I knew it didn't. When I put it back up
Hole
there,
there.
right.
There too.
When I put it back there, I was like, dude, that's not where that was. That seems too high.
I got this one up here. But
Then I didn't see the
why
hole.
that's not up there? Because when you
Because,
bump into it, it drops on the floor. That's like a safety hook, so it doesn't come off. Okay, so this one worked good, didn't it?
oh, see, there's a swirly one right there.
Swirly. It's called spiral. This helps evacuate chips a little better.
Mm,
And also likes to push them forward slightly too.
I would assume.
So if you have a through hole, it'll push the shit forward and not contaminate your cut.
Mm.
That's the other thing you do. And drills are single flute. Yeah, single cut and doubles.
Mm-hmm.
And these evacuate chips outwards. That's why they're inspired.
That looks like a highly used drill.
Looks like it's been customized in the center for some purpose.
Yeah.
Sometimes things get modified around here a little bit for special applications. Okay, where is our holding fixture for this?
Did you take it? I think you put it back.
Oh well.
You put it up.
You know what that means.
Freehand honing.
Mr. Manual's back at it.
Freehand honage.
Mr. Manual's going to be back working again. Okay, so this goes in the one over here.
Yeah, you even cleaned it and put it up
Now
too.
this one we got to keep out now. So just put it in a pile of the rest of the junk. Okay, now we go find one of these that fits. No, kind of. That's the one. Why do I have all these lined up over there? In case I need one. Remember you asked that question before?
Yeah.
Today I need this one. And earlier I needed the one that was too up than this one. Why is that not going in the hole? Should go in there deeper. Appears there's something missing though.
Yeah, there's a key missing. Is that it right there?
There's a key thing that's missing. It's called a stone.
Yeah, there you go.
Why is a stone missing?
That looks about right.
You like this one?
I don't know.
You know if you like this one?
I don't know anything about honing.
How about this one?
All I know is that if you stick stuff in it, it makes it bigger.
Okay, well this one here is a number 85 or 95, and this is a number 7. This is a coarse. That's a fine.
We need fine, because we're not going bigger.
Well, I don't know how
Very much
we need to go
bigger.
bigger. Doesn't matter how much bigger, I don't know. We can start with a coarse and finish with a fine. We have multiples here. There's a lot of area to hold on to, so it should be easy to do. Right? Now, someone cut the sharp edges off, so it shouldn't hurt me too bad.
Mm-hmm.
Of course, if I put oil over my hand to make it nice and slippery. Slipping in my hand.
Mm-hmm.
I think we're going to need some more holding power. Here it's easier than when you hide up here.
Ooh, that's close.
This time we go from fine to coarse, from coarse to fine.
From coarse to fine.
Yeah, I got it now. It's over here though. Yeah, it squirted me. See a lot of these will hold on to.
What does the foot pedal do?
Engages it.
What do you mean? It pushes that stone out?
It's the mechanism all is part of it. That was a little tight still. See the lever over here? I'll put the camera where it is, see?
Oh.
There's a friction brake on the back there. It didn't work very well because the lining's probably gone on it. It doesn't really hold very well.
Yeah.
It's a real modern design. Think of a stagecoach.
So
That's what it is.
it looks like it needs a shoe.
Yeah, it might need some better material than it has, yes. Anyway, there's a bunch of stuff inside here that goes up and down, and it expands the stone and puts pressure on it at the same time. So I can barely hold on to it, so I can't put much cutting pressure on it. I can feel the chatter when it's leaning on it. The hole still is not true.
There's a tight spot in there.
It's in there. It's good.
Okay.
So you take it, feel the clearance. Yeah, it's just about a thou in there or so. So we're after.
That's good.
We don't want to be super loose in there. We want to cut the hole on center. So even if the drill walks a little bit, this will now tap straight.
Right.
Eventually it's going to put tap marks inside the bushing.
Yeah, eventually.
It's more like the bushing is going to rotate in the other thing anyway as it goes down, but it can't go any further.
Right.
The bottom's out, but it's pretty good. All right, there you go. We'll be back.